Welcome to a new video from me. I'm really happy that you clicked on my channel. Today's video is all about the topic of Fummeln, fondling. I hope you enjoy it, and with that, let's get into the video. When I just said that, some of you might have thought, Fummeln? I used to do that back in the day. Sorry. But no, guys, Fummeln is making a comeback. You can do it with your partner almost anywhere, if you're smart about it. Under the restaurant table, in the cinema, on the beach. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. Of course, it shouldn't disturb anyone. And I think what makes it exciting is when you have to be a little sneaky about it, because then you get that, oh my god, kind of thrill. And just to be clear, when I say Fummeln, I don't mean the actual act itself. That would be going too far. That doesn't count. Another great thing about Fummeln is that it can naturally lead to intimacy, especially for women. Now, I can't speak for every woman, but many women do enjoy foreplay, and Fummeln is basically foreplay without time limits. So in a way, if you fummel with your partner more often, the chances of regular intimacy could increase because they'll look forward to it. Of course, they should already be excited about being intimate with you, but still, when a woman knows, oh my god. A third benefit is that it can actually improve relationships. You get to know your partner on a completely different level. You take the time to explore their body in detail, which is a really beautiful form of intimacy. And I think this is something that often gets forgotten in daily life. Another thing I'd love to hear your thoughts on is kissing, passionate kissing. I mean, sure, we all do the little goodbye kiss before heading to work, but many couples don't kiss passionately anymore like they did in the beginning. When was the last time you were sitting in a bar, a restaurant, or out somewhere and just kissed passionately with love? And honestly, a passionate kiss can already feel so intimate that it creates a lot of excitement physically. But people tend to overlook that. So take your time, exchange tender kisses, lean into the moment, and just make out. I feel like so many couples don't do this often enough anymore. It's usually just a quick kiss before work or something, but yeah. And even when you're being intimate, kissing is so important. If there's no kissing, it just feels so weird. When you kiss someone, emotions rise, and you naturally want more. But instead of rushing, let that feeling linger. Hold back a little. Take it slow, don't move straight to the next step. That way, both men and women can practice building endurance. And of course, this gives your body more time to build up desire. Often, that build-up is even more exciting than the act itself. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped, and I'll see you again very soon.